This 2024 Dutchmen Yukon 412DB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Katy, Texas, 77494 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Katy. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.